Hi guys, welcome to my channel Easy Way. Today we are going to make coconut macarons. So require 200 grams of fresh grated coconut, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and take 2 egg yolk whites, only white we require, and take a one dish. We have to cook in a dish, so we are doing preheated. Take a big dish and just keep the salt as much as you can. Keep the salt because we have to do preheated and we are cooking on a dish. So keep the stand on a dish and cover it. And before cover, you can keep which dish you are keeping for inside. So you have to keep and check whether it is fitting or not, then cover it. So because we are doing the preheated, so we have to do preheated for 15 minutes. So let the dish will get warm fully. So we have to do, and take a other side, take a bowl and add 2 egg whites only. Then you have to add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Then whisk thoroughly. You have to whisk at least for 2 to 3 minutes. And if you want, you can add salt, it's an optional. Okay, so see, continuous you have to do. Then you have to add grated fresh coconut 200 grams. Again you have to whisk constantly. Then see, now you can easily make the dough. So if you want, you can add butter. Butter is also an optional, and in a dish you have to apply the butter. Then you can keep the small balls, or which shape you like you can keep, and keep that inside the preheated dish. Okay, then after 15 minutes you have to check. See, nicely it came out. If you want to keep, you can keep more 10 minutes. So altogether 25 minutes. It is now coconut macarons is ready. Okay, see, and take it out and see, and I'm keeping. Easily it will come out because we already applied butter on a dish. See, coconut macarons. Please, thanks for watching. Share, subscribe.